How to delete Snapchat account in 2024. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through that how to delete your Snapchat account or deactivate your Snapchat account in 2024. So what you need to do first is go to your profile. After, you have to click on the settings option in the right top corner like that. After that, you have to scroll all the way down. Here you can see Snapchat has been removed this button, that delete option right here. So what you need to do to delete or deactivate your Snapchat account is search for help. Okay, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can delete your Snapchat account. So please watch the full video, that you don't have to watch any other videos. Okay, after that you have to click on I need help option right here. So this is a pretty much long process that you might it might take 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So please keep watching. So after that you have to click on the option right here, my account. Sorry, you have to click on the option right here, managing my account. In the last option you can see, you have to click on that. Okay, after that you can see here is an option, delete or deactivate my account. What I need you to do is click on the option right here, delete or deactivate my account, like that. So after that you can see here is an option, how to deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. So you need to click on the first option right here, like just like that. Then here you can see here is an instruction. If you are a user, you can follow the first instruction, or if you are a Apple user, you can follow the second instruction. So what you need to do is click on the first option right here. If you are using Android, I mean using Android phone, that's why I'm clicking on the first option. You have to click on Snapchat account portal, like that. Okay, after that here you can see it's loading, just take a few minutes. Okay, here is the option, my data, my snap code. If you scroll down like that, you can see delete my account. Here is the option. Okay, after that you have to click on delete my account. Please watch the full video, okay, to solve your problem. Then here is an option that delete account, oh snap, you are leaving us. Okay, what you need to do is type your username, the first option, like here. Then after, you have to put your password of your Snapchat to delete your account. So I'm gonna do it. So here you can see here is an option that telling us please try again from this device after 72 hours. Because I have tried this today, okay, that's why I have to wait 72 hours. So what you can do is type your password here and submit it. After that you can find your account deletion option right here. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on the video and subscribe my channel, please.